Hi, Dave Lawson here with another Feature Spotlight video. Today we're going to go over the Surveyor Connect, which is OneConnect by Lippert. With me today is Wes Brigham, and Wes is going to go over the setup and how-to features of the Surveyor Connect.
Hi, so we're here today to speak about the Surveyor Connect system powered by LCI OneControl. When you walk into your coach, you should have some material like this. We're going to take our smartphone, and using our camera, we can scan either the QR code for the App Store or the Google Play Store, and that's going to take us directly to the appropriate location. So we'll go ahead and download the app. Okay, now once our app is downloaded, we're going to go ahead and open it up. It's going to ask us if we'd like to access the Bluetooth. We're going to choose OK. Here's the license agreement for the user terms. Choose I agree. It's going to ask if you want to receive notifications. You definitely want to allow that. That way you have all of the features available with the app itself. So now it's going to walk us through step by step. We're going to choose Let's Go to enter the RV details. To scan our label is where we're going to come over here by our monitor panel. Now that we're over here for the control panel, we're going to choose the Start Scanning option. And it's going to ask to grant location permissions. We're going to continue there. And we're going to allow while using app. It's going to ask us for access to the camera. That way we can scan the label or choose OK. Now we'll come up here to our sticker. We're going to scan that. And it automatically populates your user ID and your password. And we'll choose Connect. Now we're going to confirm our RV details. We're going to choose the year. Continue. We're going to choose our make, which is going to be Forest River. And our model. Scroll till we get to Surveyor. So we choose Surveyor, hit Continue. And we'll choose Other for our floor plan because there are so many different options here. We're going to confirm our details. Everything is set successfully. We're going to continue. Choose Let's Go. It's going to ask us to set up a PIN. This can be any 4-digit number you'd like, whatever you're going to remember. After we've entered that twice to confirm, we're going to continue to the app. And now in the home screen, we're going to see all of the options that we have for this coach. We have an awning connected, several lights, 2 slides, and your stabilizer jacks. Your home page can be customized to be exactly what you would like. If you choose devices, you can look at anything that's connected here. Let's try slides. So we'll go to main slide. Say we want that on our home page. We're going to make sure this is checked as a yes. If it's not, all you have to do is toggle it to change it to yes, and now it'll show up on your home screen every time you connect to the app. Okay, now that we're all connected to our coach, we have the ability to run some features from our phone here. You can go into your awning option and you can select extend or retract. You can also do the same thing with your slide outs. Any slide outs that are connected to the system, choose the slide, choose in or out. This is a convenient feature for setup. You can be outside of the unit watching your slides or awnings come in and out. Make sure you're not pinching anything. We can also do the same thing with our stabilizers on this model. Front stabilizer, extend and retract. Again, you can be outside watching the jacks come down as you use your phone to control them. And then on the interior, we can also operate our lights here. Convenient function is you can choose a particular light you want to operate, or we can turn all lights on or all lights off with just one push of a button. So what we'll do now is turn off all of our lights from the app.